In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to white label GoHighLevel tutorial. White labeling lets you present the platform as your own by adding your brand, custom domains, and a cohesive look and feel. I'll guide you through the exact places to click and share practical tips so you can launch confidently. First, sign in and look at the top area of your current dashboard. Click the dashboard name to open the account menu. From there, switch to Agency View. This view gives you access to agency-wide settings, which is where white label options live. If you don't see Agency View, make sure your user role has the right permissions. On the left sidebar, click the gear icon for settings. In the Settings area, open the Company section. This is where your business information and branding are managed. Inside Company, go to the White Label tab. Everything we need is grouped here so you can work from top to bottom. Start by uploading your logo. A transparent PNG usually looks best, and a square or wide rectangular version with enough resolution will keep it crisp on Retina displays. Keep file size reasonable to avoid slowing down load times. After uploading, preview how it appears in the header and login screen. Next, update your domains and URLs. This is where you set the custom app or portal domain your clients will use. Make sure you own the domain and, if prompted, create the recommended DNS records with your domain provider so SSL can be issued. Keep your brand consistent across the app URL, support URL, and any public links. DNS changes can take time to propagate, so allow a little patience and then test by visiting the new domain in an incognito window. Update your privacy policy and terms and conditions URLs. Link to public pages that clearly describe your policies and ensure the content matches your services and data practices. This builds trust and helps with compliance. If you need deeper customization, use the Custom JS field to load small tested snippets. Be cautious. Third-party scripts can affect performance or conflict with updates. Test in a staging sub-account first and document what you add so it's easy to roll back. Finally, choose a default theme. Pick the option that fits your brand colors and ensures good contrast for readability. Check how it looks on both desktop and mobile to confirm accessibility. As you work through each section, save your changes. When you're done, log out and back in or clear your cache to preview the fully branded experience just like a client would. That's it. Your GoHighLevel instance is now professionally white-labeled and ready to